Hey guys, this is Elusive FMP. This is Skyrim. I'm gonna introduce you to my mods list. I will not reveal in this video any of the mods for copyright reasons, but I will show you uh, how they look on me, the set, the weapons, the 200. I will just slaughter the whole town so you can check the kill moves and how the weapons interact with every slashing and the whole movement. In my next videos I will reveal many mods that, like the last 2 years, I'm researching the whole internet and I think they are the best, so you can have the list of them. Subscribe, like, post your comments, and in every video I would like you to tell me which weapons you want to see me using. So as I use the weapons, I will also include the mod for those weapons as well as the set. So this is my first video. I hope I will make a good start in gathering your opinions and holding your interest. Let me get started and share with you all the mods and the experience I have in Skyrim. So let's get started. The first guard here, the trick is not to kill them fast. They need to have low health to and then make a power move, so the kill move will take place like that. That's a nice one. Throat gone, so let's keep moving. The slashing, the whole animation is amazing. It's like dancing with blade and stuff. It's very nice. Nice. Amazing. That's it. Also, there's a mod for the blood. As you see, there's far more blood than usual. He's a goner. Yeah, nice. Fuck. In his chest. In the chest. Give me more, give me more. As you see, the whole blade is covered with blood. The textures are new because of the mod. Little dog is dead. Bye bye, bye bye. So much blood in a dog, in a puppy. Oh, not you. You can't be killed. But I think you can. Yep. What the fuck? See, we're inside. Nice. Come on. Oh boy. I yield. You will die though. Nice. Oh, flesh. Fuck you. Come here, Pushy. Where is he? Let's go outside with the guards. There's a good spot. And the priest, of course. He's the first target always. Come on, come on, come on. Priest. Fuck. There he is. It will be a nice combo. Oh, yep. Yep. Oh, half of the head was removed. And last kill for now, because the recording will stop soon. Still have some time. Yep. So this is it, guys. As I said, subscribe, leave your comments, and more videos will come with new modes and stuff. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Elusive FMP. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.